I'm back with another Crumbl cookie review, and also it's Crumbl's 4th birthday this week. So, happy birthday, Crumbl. This week's flavors looked amazing, and I just realized that they currently sold out the golden Oreo flavor, so what a bummer, but it's okay. We have funfetti milkshake, peanut butter brittle, brownie batter, and since they ran out of the golden Oreo, so I just got the original chocolate chip. So I'm gonna try the funfetti milkshake first. This is really good. Amazing. Peanut butter brittle. Wow. This is good. And I actually never had peanut brittle before, so that's something new. Brownie batter, and it's already falling apart. Wow. Definitely tastes so much brownie. Literally the best brownie ever. And original chocolate chip. Yep. Pretty basic. And it's good. My most favorites would definitely have to be funfetti milkshake and peanut butter brittle.